One of the most used is DIR, which stands for Directory. Let's see what entering DIR at the prompt will do. Lisa, type DIR. Remember, if you make a mistake, you can press the backspace key one or more times to correct it. Now press the Enter key. The DIR command displays a list of all of the files contained in the root directory on the C drive. Remember, we said the drive can be divided up into different directories. The root directory will display these. Notice all the file names followed by the word DIR in brackets. Those are your directories. The DIR command is used to show you the files contained in directories and/or floppy disks. Let's try it again, Lisa. You should still have a program or data disk in drive A. Now type A, colon, and enter to tell DOS to look at that drive. Then type DIR and enter. We put a word processing disk in our A drive and are now looking at the files on that disk. Type C colon and enter. Viewers, watch as we look at another directory. If you have a large number of files on a diskette, DOS will scroll directly to the end. Lisa, did you notice that as the files went racing by, that there were many more files than we could see in this directory? Let's look at a variation of the directory command to fix this. But first, let's clear the screen. We do this using the CLS command, which stands for Clear Screen. Go ahead and type CLS and press Enter. This clears the screen of all information and returns you to the prompt. We'll be doing this throughout the lesson to make things easier to see, so don't be worried if our screens don't always look alike. Let's add the /P option to our DIR command. After the DIR command, type /P, as you see now. When the Enter key is pressed, watch what happens. The screen stops at each screen full. Notice the message. Press any key to continue. To advance the listing, simply press any key until the entire directory is seen. Again, notice the names with the DIR beside them. Viewers, your display will look different than ours here, but the principle is the same. The programs you have on your computer should show here with the DIR beside them. Viewers, look in your root directory listing to make sure you have a DOS directory. If you don't, your DOS may be residing elsewhere. To find the name of your DOS directory in 6.0, you type DIR space /s space memmaker period exe and press Enter. Along with other information, the display will show a line that starts with directory of C:/ followed by the name of your DOS directory. Typing CD / and the directory name will take you to that directory. The CD stands for Change Directory. Viewers, you need to type our next command with the same name that shows as your directory. Lisa, type CD / DOS and enter. This takes us to the DOS directory on the C drive. Okay, everyone type DIR space /P and enter. And you now see the files in the DOS directory. Now let's get a better idea about what these files are. The first column displays the name of each file. Files are the computer's way of organizing information on a disk. Hard and floppy disks hold files just like a filing cabinet you would see in an office or library.